Hello, and welcome to this course on side hustles. In this course, we're going to cover how to augment your income by finding a side gig. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 gives you a brief intro to the side hustle concept. Module 2 goes over some online side hustle ideas. And Module 3 covers some offline options for side hustles. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to boost your income with a side hustle that works for you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first module. Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will give you a brief intro to side hustles. So, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
Module 1. Intro to Side Hustles. If you need to earn more, then you need to have a side hustle. A side hustle is simply defined as an extra job in addition to your day job. Side hustles provide supplementary income for those who are looking to earn a little bit more cash, or for those who are looking to make ends meet. As financial security continues to be a problem worldwide, side hustles are necessary for those who want to get out of debt. It can even eventually become a stepping stone for entering the entrepreneurial world. If you want to learn more about how to earn money on the side, then this is the guide for you. Chapter 1 focuses on the benefits you can get from having an extra income. Chapter 2 provides you a list of online side gigs that you can do. Finally, Chapter 3 discusses options for offline side hustles. By the time you're finished reading this course, you're now ready to take on the world of side hustling. According to Bankrate's Side Hustle Survey in 2019, 45% of working Americans, around 70 million, have a gig outside their day job. When asked the reason why they're doing it, 30% said that they need the extra money to make ends meet. Moreover, roughly 60% said that they use the money primarily for savings or as disposable income for spending. Here are some more surprising statistics. A person spends an average of 11 to 16 hours per week doing side hustles. Side hustles have an average hourly rate of $16 to $23 an hour. 27% of side hustlers started making money from a hobby. 1% of the American workforce use an app-based platform to earn income. 47% of people with postgraduate degrees have opted for side hustles. 48% of millennials have a side hustle. 30% of side hustlers are in the form of reselling or selling handmade products. 54% of side hustlers are women. These statistics show how side hustles are changing the way we look at earning more income. Whether it's for a practical or personal cause, side hustles can help you not only to earn more, but to help you try something new, especially if you're considering a career change. In fact, some even consider a side hustle as a form of hobby. On the other hand, people earning through these gigs realize that they can make a living while not fully relying on the traditional work models. As the concept of work evolved through time, side hustles have shed light on the idea that people can have the opportunity to turn work into a hobby. If you're someone who's looking to get started on having side gigs, your motivation may stem from either financial or creative reasons. Whatever your intention is, here are 3 reasons why you should have a side hustle. Provides extra income. Having an additional stream of income can be helpful on any given date, whether it's to pay off your debts, boost savings, build your wealth faster, or simply having extra cash to treat yourself every once in a while. Having an extra income also means that you're not fully reliant on your day job. Losing your full-time job can be really stressful, especially when you're living paycheck to paycheck. However, side hustles serve as cushions that give you a bit of extra financial security. It can be empowering. Having a side hustle not only helps you to earn extra cash, but also contributes to your overall welfare. As you start making money from the side, you'll learn new skills or improve existing ones. Finding gigs that you have a real interest in ignites your passion that you otherwise might lose if you solely focused on your regular job. Moreover, side hustles empower you. Knowing that you have an economic value outside of your 9-to-5 job. This feeling of fulfillment enables you to have a better lifestyle and enjoy life to the fullest. Not taking much of a risk. Many business owners have made a big, scary leap when they decided to leave their full-time jobs and pursue their dream of building their own business. However, with that big of a risk, this can't be possible for everyone. However, with a side hustle, you can start working on a business without losing the security of your main source of income. This also means that it'd be less of a burden to change plans if things aren't working out. You can focus more on your passion. There are countless stories of people who have turned their passion into something profitable. You too can do the same. In fact, you might end up turning your passion into a job that you'll truly love. For instance, creative minds have turned their ideas into concrete, tangible products that they sell online, all the while just enjoying the artistic process. Earning money is just one of the perks of doing something you truly enjoy.
Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will go over some online side hustle ideas. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Module 2. Online Side Hustle Ideas. As the advancement of technology improves and the internet becomes an essential part of the economy, there's no surprise in saying that you're doing work online is the real trend today. In fact, the majority of side hustles today are done online, with people using their laptops and smartphones to earn in their spare time. The biggest reason why online side hustles are so popular is because of its accessibility. Working online gives you the freedom to work anywhere in the world with only a laptop and an internet connection. For others, they enjoy earning a decent amount of extra income, all in the comforts of their own homes. Online gigs are beneficial for people with hectic schedules, such as parents and shift workers. Of course, this isn't for everybody. If your full-time job already involves a ton of online work, then you'll only find this twice as a burden to deal with. Let's take a look at the most popular online side hustles out there and see what kind of extra opportunities are in store for you. Freelancing. Freelancing refers to doing jobs for a variety of clients, usually through part-time jobs or projects. Freelancing work is usually on an as-needed basis and agreed upon through contracts. Freelancing is a great option for skilled individuals who don't want to devote a huge lump of time to their side hustles. To date, there are 1.1 billion online freelancers around the world, with 75% saying they wouldn't trade it for other work. There are many freelancing sites, such as Upwork and Fiverr, that post thousands of projects every day. People registered on the platform can simply choose a project that matches their skills, desired rate, as well as their personal schedules. The most in-demand skills are video editing, programming, graphic design, writing, and accounting or bookkeeping. On the other hand, there is also work that involves less specialized skills, but more organizational abilities. This includes jobs like project management and being a virtual assistant. Teaching English. Teaching English isn't a new concept. Many people became English tutors for kids or traveled abroad to teach foreigners. However, in recent years, online teaching has become incredibly popular in several non-English speaking countries, particularly in Asia, as many people there are looking for ways to learn English. Every day, thousands and thousands of people are looking for tutors to teach them English, so opportunities in this area are limitless. There are a lot of companies and platforms that you can join in as an English teacher. Having several options also allows you to choose what country and demographic you can find students at. However, to earn a higher rate, it would be best to become a TEFL certified teacher first. TEFL, or Teaching English as a Foreign Language, is an internationally recognized field for teaching English that provides professional opportunities worldwide. TEFL accredited teachers earn more, whether in physical or virtual teaching. To get TEFL certified, you can either take a professional course, a remote-based training, or get certified abroad. Online surveys. Feedback is the main factor for making improvements. This is why companies reward people who take their time to give comments and provide suggestions about their customer experiences. This side hustle, however, isn't the type that can help you pay your bills, but rather, it's for those who want to earn a little extra cash in their free time. Some rewards also come in the form of vouchers and discounts. So if you're someone who's looking for ways to save in your next purchase, then this one's for you. Online surveys can be done while you're relaxing, waiting in line, or traveling. Make sure to do your research first to find a legit site, as some are just scams that will only waste your time.
Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will show you some offline side hustle options. So, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
Module 3. Offline Side Hustle Ideas. If you don't consider yourself a tech-savvy person, there are still a couple of side hustles that you can do within your reach. These kinds of jobs are helpful to gain more life experience and grow more as a person. Offline side hustles are great for helping out your local community. Being involved in such activities also contributes to better mental health, as it gives you more reason to stay active and social. Offline side hustles involve physical activity, but if you enjoy going around town and meeting a lot of people, then this one suits you well. Normally, offline side hustles are usually found through job openings or referrals. However, a lot of these are now found online. You won't be directly using the apps to earn money, but it serves as a tool to help you find work. With a simple touch of a button, you can engage in jobs that provide real-world experiences. Here are some of the most popular side hustles you can do offline. Rideshare service. If you have a car, you can earn money by registering for a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft. By essentially becoming a freelance taxi driver, you can earn money by simply driving around town. Basically, you work using a mobile app that notifies you if you have ride requests. It then navigates you to where to pick up and drop off passengers. Rideshare drivers have flexible options, for you can work according to your schedule. This means that you can refuse rides or only choose customers that have the same destination. After drop-off, you're automatically paid through the app and might even get tips from generous passengers. Rates also change during rush hours, so working during busy times of the day can help you earn more. Food delivery. While in the subject of driving, you can also use your driving skills by joining a food delivery service like DoorDash and Grubhub. To apply, all you need is a driver's license with a clean record and a phone to use their app. Some of these companies also sometimes offer services using cyclists. So if you're looking for ways to earn money while getting enough exercise, then this one's for you. Renting out a space. If you have an unused space such as a spare bedroom or a second home, registering with online vacation rental companies like Airbnb and Vrbo is a great way to make some money by simply letting others use your space that otherwise is left gathering dust. Basically, You host your own space and provide simple amenities for tourists or for people visiting your area. This side hustle is great for meeting new people and making new friends from different countries. However, it's important to point out that if you're the type of person who takes their privacy seriously, then this might not be the gig for you. If you're looking to rent out your room, you must be willing to open your home to everybody. By letting complete strangers stay at your home, you understand that you need to make certain adjustments and may face certain risks and challenges in dealing with them. These online vacation rental companies have their mobile app where you can list your space, provide your desired rate per night, your schedule, as well as implementing rules and conditions when renting out your property. You can earn a good amount of money with a side hustle, especially if you tweak your space into becoming more cozier and making yourself a more hospitable host. Another benefit of having the side hustle is that you can assign other people to regularly clean and maintain your room or to act as your co-host. This gives you the option to become less involved and turn it into a passive income. What are you waiting for? Join the side hustling workforce and earn the extra $100 a month. Whether it's utilizing your skills and talents, supporting your local community, or simply doing something in your free time will surely empower you, knowing that you can continue to thrive despite the challenges that we deal with every day. This side hustling world is just on the other side. All you have to do is to take that leap of faith. Only then will you experience the endless opportunities the world has to offer.